Hello all, welcome to my channel. And today one of my student, her name is Pragathi. She has learned all levels of abacus and she'll be showing you the demo how what she has learned, how she can do the arithmetical calculation with the help of abacus tool and also without help of abacus tool, that is by using mentally and without help of any pen and paper. This abacus helps all the students to remove the fear of mathematics and also to do the calculations mentally without help of pen and paper. So if you look the complete video, then you will be having a clear idea of what abacus is. So just watch the complete video and do support us. Okay, let's watch now.
56 plus 18 minus 23 plus 66 minus 21.
96.
74 minus 39 plus 14 plus 18 minus 26.
41.
59 plus 13 minus 25 plus 11 plus 15.
73.
35 plus 26 minus 19 plus 11 plus 15.
68.
41 minus 15 minus 14 plus 16 minus 12.
16.
56 minus 18 plus 23 plus 19 minus 25.
55.
28 plus 37 minus 63 plus 14 plus 15 minus 14 plus 37.
54.
38 plus 46 minus 54 plus 29 minus 18 plus 17 plus 36.
94.
13 plus 11 minus 14 plus 19 plus 12 minus 18 plus 12.
35.
15 plus 18 minus 26 plus 16 plus 12 plus 17 minus 14.
38.
19 minus 18 plus 12 plus 17 minus 11 plus 15 plus 16.
50.
21 plus 16 plus 18 plus 15 plus 12 minus 16 plus 13.
79.